Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It's a Breville Barista Express. It comes to us with no pressure at all. And when I test the machine, I find out like it's weak, small amount of water coming out, even from the hot water or from the group head. So I opened the machine and I find this water pump and the air valve, this safety valve, broken. So this water pump is from 2017 and we are in 2026 in July, so it's pretty much like 9 years, or in the best scenario, let's say it sits there for like 1 year and it's 2018, so it's like 8 years, which in the time they recommended to replace it every 5 years, maximum 6, that's what they said, but it's good that survives this long. And after that I figure out the flow meter, this one also broken, and I also replace it, and that was like after I retest again, when I find this filter. It is, I don't know if I can show from here, it's not good, and I also replaced it. And also the grinder was having an issue, and I replaced the burst, the top part of it, and I recalibrated. But I want to mention that they're using the pressurized basket here. Let me show what I mean. It is this basket. So if they decided to replace it and use the regular one, so they need to change the setting for the grinder. I put it now at 10, so they need to go finer or add more grind in there in order to get a better pressure. So let's go ahead and test it in this setting. I would like to change it and calibrate it on the other basket because I believe they like to use this one. Okay. Here's the pressure. It's perfect, and the flow is great, same like grill machines. And it's also perfect with the new flow meter, but I didn't change the calibration from here. I just kept it as, yeah, look at that great shot coming out from Breville. 3 layers of coffee, thick crema, so it's a great shot. That's just the hot water. This is perfect, and the steamer, it has some water in the system, needs to come out first. And I also I found the basket in the group head here. It was a little bit like, it needs to be tight, it was loose, so when I fix that wire and make it tighter. Okay, Steamer works perfect. I like always to get some clean water from here. That's cool. So the machine functioning perfect and the grinder is doing good. Thank you for watching.